Hello and welcome to Medi's Tech Circle. I know it has been a while since my last video. I was really busy and I didn't had many time to do a new video, but today is my first unboxing video here on this channel, but I hope this will not be the last one. So today I want to unbox and show you a smartwatch which is from a brand called Denver. So they make some fitness accessories, also like many so headphones for running and many other things or gadgets you can need for your sport activities. So this is a fitness smartwatch, so it can track your steps, it can measure your heart rate, it can show how many calories you have burned, and how many kilometers you run. And yeah, so let's quickly unbox this thing here. So bear with me, this is my first unboxing video, so I will do my best to show you this smartwatch. Okay, so this is magnetic, it opens up like this, and here we have our smartwatch. So I must say, for you can get this smartwatch at around $80, 80 bucks or 80 euros, and up to the normal price is set by 120 bucks. So bucks, I mean, and so this can be different, but I must say that the packaging looks really professional, really high quality. And so here you have a user guide which contains some information in many different languages, how to use it and the basic function, the basic features. And here we have the smartwatch. So let's quickly pull this up. So also really nice done here with this pull thing here. And here we can see a little bit more the smartwatch or this watch. So really nice. So at first look it is really, yeah, not heavy, but it's not like a cheap smartwatch, so really well designed. So the design looks really nice, really basic, so a little bit like a Gear S3 Classic from Samsung. But let's dive into the accessories here. So I don't expect to get much, but here we have on this side, okay, so this is English and this is Norse, so I don't know which language that is. And on the other side we get a cable to charge it. So let's open this up quickly. Okay, so here we get a USB cable without the power brick. So here this looks like some pins you connect under the watch. But okay, so let's go and let's start to take a look at the smartwatch, which is the most important thing. So let's remove this here and let's open it up. So the bracelet here is made from a really bendable, let's say, yeah, that's something like, I don't know how to explain. So this is a really soft material and feels really good. So also nothing cheap here. And I must say, wow, look at this. So the smartwatch is really well built quality. It feels really solid. So let's quickly peel up this screen protector and look at this. So this is a IPS display with let's say it is from this side to the other side, so 3.3 centimeters. So let's turn on the watch. So there should be some juice here on it. So let's see. So okay, so yeah, it's booting up. Denver Electronics. Okay, a little fade in animation here. Okay, so here we go. Here we have to select our language. So I will pick up English. I can select this later. Okay, so here we are. Here is our face, our clock face, and you can see the time isn't synchronized. So there's an application in the Play Store to install. So this is a basic, let's say, face clock style. So where you can see the steps, how many energy you have burned, and the distance you have gone through the day. Here you can see the battery. So with a swipe up, oh, well, why? Okay. With a swipe up, you have a quick menu where you can turn on or off Bluetooth. You can decrease or increase the brightness. So let's decrease it a little bit to recognize much more here on the display. Here I don't know what this is. Okay, so here you can, I think, locate the watch. I don't know exactly. So what is this one? Okay, here you have a meeting mode, flight mode. Okay, well, that's interesting. So here you can select if you want to mute your watch, or if you want to put your watch into vibration mode. And here you can activate or disactivate this function when you raise your arm, that the watch is showing you the time. So here you can select these sort of things. So here you have a weather function. So I already tested out this watch because my brother has the same, and this doesn't work now. So the watch is really new, and the application is also really new in the Play Store. So maybe they will fix this so that the weather is really synchronized with your smartphone. Let's go back to the clock here. When you swipe down, you can see your steps, you can see the energy you have burned, you can see the distance you have went, and so on. Let's go to the right. So here we have many different modes. So here you can track your sleeping and much more features you can use. So you can also make calls with this smartwatch. So it doesn't have a slot for a SIM card, you can see. So there is no SIM card slot available. So you can just call over your phone. So this call will be made from your phone over the watch. And you can see your SMS. You can also get all sorts of notifications are shown up here. So when you get a WhatsApp notification or Twitter notification, you will also see this on this smartwatch. You can play music. It has speakers, so I don't know if the music will play over the speakers of the watch or over your phone. And you have also here things like the settings, the alarm and a clock app, so you can set an alarm over your watch. So a really good looking watch. Of course, you have also here different clock styles you can choose from. So that's really nice. So I think for the price you have here, when you don't want to pay 300 bucks for a smartwatch, you will get a really nice smartwatch with this option here. So really well built, really let's say modern looking and well fabricated. So I'm really happy about this smartwatch. So let me your opinions down in the comment section, and I will do more videos about this watch. So how to set it up with your phone, how to sync all these settings, and so on. So stay tuned here. I will also do an Android Oreo video on my Galaxy S7 Edge with some hidden features. So subscribe to this channel, that would really mean a lot to me, and you would support my channel. And I hope you have a fantastic day, and I say bye.